Hey, welcome back everybody. It's Kennedy Does Tech. Today is day 21 of me brushing up my C++. This week I built the entire interactive system for my puzzle game. And I'm going to show you the project setup, my GitHub, as well as the C++ architecture. Oh, what's this? Let's dive in here. I hope there's some treasure. Lovely gold though. How do I get out now? What am I going to do? We can come here, we can click on that, and we've grabbed that statue, pop it over here, voila, the door opens. And let's see if we can make a run for it. We good. And by mistake, we step on this pressure plate, door closes behind us. Another cool implementation is where we have a pressure plate, but it requires a specific number of items to be on it, like these chairs, right? Where we, oh, there we go, first chair. Let's see if we can get the second chair. Ah, there we go, 2 chairs, and our door opens. All right, so now we're gonna dive into the back end. I deleted most of the default folders and reorganized the folder structure within Dungeon Escape so everything is easy to find, especially when onboarding new people. My repository, I used GitHub and had Git LFS set up, especially for those large asset files. This improves performance of our repository, and locally I was using source tree to manage and commit. On the back end, with our C++ classes, here are some of the key decisions I made to maximize performance. So for example, within mover component, I always made sure to turn off tick once we had reached our target using a separate function, set movement enabled. For trigger component, here is where I learned how to set up on begin overlap and end overlap and binding those. For my collectible item, the main thing was the F name of the item name. I chose F name over string because F name is more performant because of how Unreal keeps track of the word table. Now lock CPP file, tick, disabled by default, we weren't gonna need it. And then we set up our components like our static mesh and our triggers within our constructor so we can access them within our C++ function. So for example, we have a function when the key is placed, we set visibility of the mesh on. To make debugging easier and just general interaction with the world, I used a sweep single byte channel of a pretty large sphere, and then we were passing by reference. Within our interact actor, the key mechanic was pretty much check, is there already a key in place? If there is a key in place, take it out, put it back in the player inventory. Otherwise, check if we do have the key in our inventory and place it within the lock. And that was done much more performing in one step by using remove single from the T array. For the next steps, I'll be implementing the medieval dungeon assets.